Yes, guys, so this is from. Oi! Eh? Eh? Now you him go on the road? Eh? No, you and Dante go on the road, Quell. So you Dante there? Eh? No, man, him now come back now. Dante, me ask you for. Okay. Yes, guys, so as you can see, we are here in the night working on Sunday. It's the 10. We have a nut right here, so one chin there right here, so people know Chang today. We're twin, Chin and Chang. Like TK and KKR. So we have a one nut run at the back there, so we pull, guys. It's playing difficult. I think we need a short 17, but we don't have one available. The ones that we have here is long, but we need a short one to do the job. So we have a tight squeeze right here, guys. It's a very tight space. Chin is trying his best. So basically we have a fuel problem, guys, so we're gonna take the pump out to take it to the pump person.
You feel like you move away. Come on, son.
This is the difficult part now. Difficult part to reach, guys.
Yes.
Leave if we lay down underneath the tractor, we can't push up, it come up.
Man, that's smart to open it.
Yeah. So that help the situation.
Yeah, because them short. And the one there's one short, little tool short, little ratchet angle. Ratchet angle, spanner.
Just put penny and use piece of board and knock it. Make it crack and just use the hand and spin it.
Yeah, that's short, man. It's a really handy piece of tool, man.
Just to carry everything, we don't know what we're going to need.
Anything true that the one there, yeah.
Virgo, any 17 in our bucket over there, so spanner?
15, 16. 17.
We have tool here, guys. We have few little pieces of tools here. I try a thing, we have tools right here, but we just don't have the right one. Everything here is long. We need a short piece. Working on Sunday in the dark, guys.
Just want to finish.
Hmm?
No.
Guys, as you can see from this is what the third day now. And we need to make some blocks, guys. So we need Sandy to be working. Oh, you know, say enough weight in a bucket to do make it go up though. Should I tip out it? Should I curly and drop out the material weight in it, man? Extra weight in it. Sandy, don't worry, got Sandy. So up, Dr. Chin is on the case. So pull off the thing up here, say.
Which one?
This up here, so pull off it.
This?
Get more space and hold it from upper top.
That will be probably my pipe then.
No, no, this a pipe and then it's not moving up for the way if you move a filter base. And pull it from the top. Alright. Just pull off the filter base. And it will just pull it from top, so you understand?
So you know, I'm just price you out, you just come out and then could and just turn it because
Go on and see now.
two back this one. Two back this one.
Like a big screwdriver. Try that one there, night, I swear. I have to try everything at this point, you know, guys. Try if the camera go on there and I can see what I'm
going. Space not there.
Space not there. Water drip on it. Feel that.
That tight. So we're shocking out. Yeah, Baba.
Virgo! Hang on.
Which one you run this one? Wait, I'm there.
Oh, that weird also. Wow. May I go look and come. Hold on. Use this, sir. Use it to now. Use the sharp piece. Make a hammer with this. Nothing like that. You can put in that thing there, cover.
No, not more.
Take out. Use the screwdriver.
Tight, man, for you to tap it out.
Or put the nut back over it.
That's not damage it already.
Blunt up it. So I take off this filter to change it because this is like a well on inside there. Like a bead.
Bolt.
Oh, but not on bolt and take off the whole entire thing.
So then stay.
Okay. First me I see it in the people so I have to see with me. Inside they look clean though. The outer one is dirty. Change it. So this is it now. We need to get this pump off and that is it for the night. We have pulled everything except one injector line. Only one injector line is connected, guys. needs to crack. Find out what and I get inside. This is the life of one spotter, guys. Always have something doing. Always active. So there is a nut around here. That is what we are trying to catch back on the pump. I don't keep going too far. One hammer coming up.
One hammer.
Cooling system, so we can't go from under the tractor engine.
The space that is there for work, this one.
That me I talk about that. Even one hammer space.
Ball pin hammer you have to use.
I go look one. Might be one claw hammer, you know. Yes, guys. Out here in the night doing the work. Have to be doing the work, guys. Another tractor right here needs to rise up. We're gonna work on this one as well. Over to the big bad machine. Where is the hammer? Here is the hammer. Claw hammer. This is what we need. Pour sand. Whack, whack, whack. Nice, pretty black, eh? First time since night, no guys, and nice. Alright guys, give me a minute.